The future of American batteries and energy storage may depend on Venezuela. Yes, that Venezuela, not Silicon Valley. Why? Because energy storage isn't powered by hype, it's powered by minerals. Lithium for capacity, nickel for higher energy density, iron and bauxite for structure, rare earths for electronics and grid systems. And Venezuela has major reserves of all of them. Right now, the U.S. battery industry has a dangerous weakness: supply chain dependence. America relies heavily on China for battery minerals and processing. That affects prices, production speed, and energy security. This is where Venezuela matters. It's close to the U.S., resource-rich, and if political conditions change, it could become a strategic supplier for American battery manufacturing and grid-scale energy storage. That could mean cheaper batteries, stronger supply chains, less reliance on China, and faster energy expansion in the U.S. Even oil still matters, not for fuel, but for plastics, cables, insulation, and infrastructure. The energy transition won't be won by software. It'll be won by who controls the materials. And Venezuela isn't irrelevant, it's a sleeping giant.